Hi everyone! I have a quick question for you. Did you know that managing multiple financial sources can be tricky? Well, not with Penny Planner. I'll be showing you how to use Funds feature from Penny Planner and to get it to be on top of your money sources, all of them, whether it's your cash, cards, or online sources. We will cover them all with a single feature. So let's jump right into it. Under the Tracking tab in your Penny Planner dashboard is a button with the label Funds. Clicking here will take you to a dedicated page for managing all your monetary sources. When we enter this page, we'll see there is already a fund instance created for us. It is going to be called Default Fund. This is created for us automatically, so we do not have to invest energy and time into doing it ourselves manually, so the process of getting onboarded and starting to use the application as pleasant and easy as possible. But once we understand how things work, we can customize this, create new funds, or update all the existing ones. We have the complete control over our funds. To create a new fund, we will just click Create Fund button. You can create as many as you need. We can create one fund instance for our credit card, another one for our cash savings, and let's go with another one for our PayPal account. Now that we have created another fund instance, we can take a look and see that we have Update button at our disposal, and when we click it, we can update the name of our fund and the current balance, and also we can remove it. Having the option to update the state of our fund instances is very beneficial because sometimes things happen that are completely out of the blue and we cannot predict them. So we need the option to be able to update the current state of each of our funds. Or maybe we're just transferring money from one fund source to another. So this is a beneficial feature for sure. Now that we have two fund instances, I would like to show you one additional thing. When we go back to our Tracking tab and I try to create a new budget tracking item, Penny Planner will show another field that we need to select. This field is not displayed when you have a single fund, but when you have multiple, it will be asking you to select from which one or to which fund you are receiving or paying money. So basically, when you're grocery shopping and you pay with your credit card, right now you're able to specify that you did indeed pay with your credit card. So you will have even more detailed and fine-grained control over your finances. Using Funds feature in Penny Planner allows you to have a very clear picture about your current financial landscape. It's perfect for budgeting and never mixing your balances along the way. Remember, good financial management starts with great tools. If you found this guide useful, please feel free to browse the rest of our video library for more tips and how-to guides on using and getting the most out of Penny Planner application. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we'll gladly try to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting! See you in the next video.